Hi.
Hi, Stairs. How are you?
كيفكم؟ Good. اشتقنا لكم.
الحمد لله.
أهلا أستاذ.
نحن كمان.
كيف كان هالفاكيشن؟
منيح.
منيح. Christ, why you don't do your homework?
أستاذ أنا عملت سند
ما وصل.
الهومورك.
ما وصل.
أستاذ أنت بقى عندك النت ضعيف كتير مبين. يس أستاذ.
هلا أستاذ.
هلا توماس، ليه ما عملت له هوم ورك؟ كمان يو سنت ما وصل كمان.
شو أستاذ؟
ليش ما عملت له هوم ورك؟
صباح أستاذ. كيفك؟
أهلا هيثم.
بعت أستاذ.
Where is Naira and Megri?
ما في واي فاي.
Always ما في واي فاي عند نايرا وعند مغري. Okay, so let's start. So 2016, the first chance. Consider a box V containing 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 9. So this is the RNV. Contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. Air new 1, this is the air new 1, contains 3 red and 5 black. Air new 2, there are 4 red, 4 black. So V we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls. Here we have 6 balls. Air V. 8 balls in each U1 and U2. So this is a description. Now we start the experiment. The experiment says one card is randomly selected from V. We draw one card from V. So we choose a card from V. If it is even, if this card is even, so we have to choose one card from V. This card is even or odd. Chris, what is the probability to get an even number from earn V?
Even?
Yes. To get even number from V.
عندنا even عندنا 2 even نعمل P of even over P total.
P over 6, 2 over 6. To be odd, how much? 4 over 6. Their sum should be 1. So first we select a card from E. If this card is even, then we choose 2 balls from U1. Simultaneously. 2 balls from U1 simultaneously. If the card shows an odd number, then 2 balls are randomly and selected from U2. 2 balls, both of them simultaneously. 2 balls simultaneously from U2. Any questions about the experiment? So if it is even, we choose 2 from U1 simultaneously, and if it is odd, we choose 2 from. This is the experiment. You understand the experiment? Hi Kaz, did you understand the experiment?
يعني بالأول عم نعمل select one ball from V.
أول شيء بنعمل select from V. One ball is selected from V. We note its number. If it
إذا
is
بيطلع
even, we take 2 balls from U1. If it is even, we take 2 balls from Thomas, from U1. If it is odd, we take 2 balls from Chris, from U2. Okay,
أيوة.
مش الحال? Suppose U1 is Thomas, U2 is Chris. Well, V is Haikaz. First, we take a ball from Haikaz. If Haikaz, if it is even, we take 2 balls from Chris. If it is odd, 2 balls from Thomas. Consider the following events. The selected card shows even. E even number. O, the selected card shows an odd number. R, the 2 selected balls are red. And B, the selected cards are black. Okay, لحد here you understand. One part A. Calculate the probability of R given E. What's meant by R given E? What's meant by R given E?
Red knowing it is even.
So means we choose an even number. If we choose an even number from E, from V, calculate the probability the chosen ball are red. نبى ناخده نبى ناخد from where we have to take if it is even from U1. So probability of R given
C, choose 2 from 3 over
R given E.
C.
Yes. So R given E equals. How much is the total in E? How many balls are in air in U1? 8. I have to choose 2 from 8. Here I have to choose 2 red from how much? From 3. أليسا كيفك؟ أليسا نطير
هاي
أليسا.
أستاذ.
هاي بالكومبينيشن نحط السمول نمبر on the top والبيج نمبر تحت. اوكي مش بالعكس بنعمل بالهوم ورك.
اوكي.
C26 مشان even numbers even cards.
لا ما في even no knowing that we choose an even number knowing that يعني if يعني إذا if E happens if E occurs يعني if even number occurs we have to choose from U1. So we get here probability of R given E is C23 over C28. We get 3 over 28. Okay, شباب. Now, what is the rank of probability of E intersection R? What is the rule of E intersection R? What is the rule? Yalla, ladies.
PE times PR هيدا knowing
Give. Okay. So probability of E intersection R equal probability del E times probability del R given E. Probability del E as it is 2 over 6 to choose an even number times 3 over 28, which is R given E, we get 1 over 28. Now part B, how to calculate probability del O intersection R? Odd intersection R مثل هيدي equal how much probability del O intersection R? يلا كمان how to calculate probability del O intersection. كيف لقينا probability del E intersection R؟
ايه اعمل PR given O.
Yes. First I write the rule, the orang. Probability del O intersection R equal probability del odd times probability of R given odd. Probability del odd is 4 over 6 times, to get, knowing that it is odd, we have to take from U2. To be read from U2, if odd, we choose from U2 2 balls. To be read, total is 2 choose 8. To be read, I have to choose 2 from 4. So I put 2 choose from 4. This is the possible. Total, I have to choose 2 from 8. We get 1 over 7. and calculate probability للR. How to calculate probability للR? For the two balls are red. How to calculate probability للR? For the two balls are red. They are red from where? From USA or from Canada they are red. How to calculate probability للred?
total man.
Total. It means that you are not studying. Probability للred to be red for the two balls are red. I use the rule of total probability. My exercise steps. So I am going probability للred. Either it is red from U1 in E intersection R. It is either the first ball is even and we choose from U1, or O intersection R. The first ball is chosen is odd and the two balls are red from U2. I have them both 1/28 plus 1/7. We get 5/28. Rule of total probability. To be red, they are red either from U1 or red from U2. This is the rule of total probability. Part 2. How to calculate or how to show probability للبلاك is 11/42. How to verify that probability للبلاك is 11/42. Anybody tell me how to calculate probability للبلاك? They are black from which urn? From U1 or from U2?
U2.
Why U2? شباب وصبايا, experiment means we choose a ball from V, then we choose two balls either from U1 or from U2. For the two balls to be black, from where they are black? It is similar to probability للR. How did we calculate probability للR?
PR intersection odd, PR intersection even.
Probability
نفس الشيء
للبلاك. How to calculate probability للبلاك? So probability للبلاك equal probability للE intersection B. Either it is even from the first urn V intersection black from U1 plus odd intersection B. It is the same here. Equal probability للE times probability of black given E plus probability للodd times probability of black given odd. So probability للeven هي 2/6. Now to choose two black from U1. From U1 I have 5 black. I have to choose 2. 2 choose 5/2 choose 8. Plus probability للodd is 4/6 times. To choose 2 black from U2 I have 4 black. I have to choose 2. So C 4 I have to choose 2 over total 8 to choose 2. We get the answer.
1 minute ستيز.
يلا. So it is equal 11 over 42. 1 over 3 times 10 over 28 plus 2 over 3 times 6 over 28 equals 11 over 42. Part 3. Knowing that the two selected balls are black. Knowing that the selected balls are black. This is black, B. Calculate the probability that these two balls come from U1. Calculate the probability that these two balls come from U1. Come from U1, what is the name of this event?
Even.
Even, E.
E.
Okay, so what we are going to calculate? Probability of a what? Conditional.
2 black balls from you.
So knowing that the selected balls are black, بحط هون black. وهون بحط E.
E.
What is the rule? Probability of E given B? Equal probability of the intersection over probability لل B. It is equal probability لل E intersection B. E intersection B over probability لل B. الانترسكشن over probability of B تحت. E intersection B E intersection B even and black. Which one is even and black? This is E intersection B. E intersection B. It is equal probability لل E times probability of B given E. This is E intersection B. Equal this one. With probability لل black, we have the result. So we get the answer. This is E intersection B, 5 over 42. So 5 over 42. 5 over 42 over 11 over 42, we get 5 over 11. Any questions about this part and this exercise?
No.
Sure, no? يلا 2015 second chance. Anybody is still writing? Haikaz?
No ستيس خلص.
Haikaz, did you copy the previous exercises from last Wednesday? No.
ياس بدي أعمل.
بدك تعمل. Okay, 2015 second chance. An urn contains 4 red An urn contains 4 red, 3 black.
أستاذ ما رح نلحق نعمل هيدا.
بس بنعمل بارت واحد. نعمل بارت A. An urn contains 4 red balls and 3 black balls. In all, they are 7. Seven balls. So an urn contains 7 balls. 4 red, 3 black. هذا line is done. In this part, we select, in this part only, we select randomly and one after another. شو معنات one after the other? We select randomly and successively. Okay, 3 balls. We are going to take 3 balls as follows. Please بنسمع كيف we take 3 balls successively as follows. We select the first ball. We take the first ball without putting it back. We take the first ball without putting it back in the air. We select the second ball and we put it back. And finally, we select the third ball. So we are taking 3 balls in order. We take the first ball. We keep it outside. We take the first ball. We keep it outside. Then we take the second ball. Then we replace it. Then we take the third. You understand? The first ball we don't replace. The first ما بنعمل replace يعني بنخليها outside بنخليها outside. Second put it back بنرجعها.
And it says 7, 6, 7.
لا كيف بصير 7 يا هيكاز ثالث مرة. Third we take it. يعني أول مرة كم بول كان عندنا؟ First time 7. To choose the second, how many balls we have? 6. The third ball?
5.
كيف 5? 6. My case, the second ball we replace it back. يعني بضل عندنا 6. Verify the probability to select.
ليش صوتك عم بيعطش؟
Verify the probability to select 3 black balls is 1 over 21. To select 3 black is 1 over 21. Probability black, second is black, the third is black. Who can tell me how to calculate this probability? The first is black, the second is black, the third is black. Who can tell me? Equals. How to calculate this probability?
يعني أول عنا C33 أو C37.
ما بنستخدم combination يا زلمي مع successively. طلع الشعر على لساننا مثل ما بيقولوا بالعربي. ما بنستخدم with successively combinations.
أوكي بنعمل 3 over 7.
3 over 7. Yes. هذه for the first times the
2
second.
over 7.
The second ball, how much?
2 over 7.
Not correct. 2 over 7.
2 over 6.
Over 6.
2 over 6 times the third one.
2 over 6.
2 over 6.
أستاذ
Yes.
third ball بالريبليسمنت مشان هيك كتبنا 6 مو 5.
Second ball. Third ball. Hi, Kaz. First, we have 7 balls. We take the first ball. We throw it out. نكبها. بضل في 6. Second ball, we take
Yeah.
it. Second ball, we take it and we replace it back. Remains 6. For the
إيه هذا صح. Yes.
part 2. Calculate the probability that the first ball selected is black. Probability of the first ball is black. And the 2 others are red. Red. The second is red. The third is red. Equals.
Three over 7.
The first one to be black is 3 over 7.
Four over 6.
4 over 6. Third ball.
كمان 4 over 6.
كمان 4 over 6. We get 4 over 21. Part 3, the last part for today. Knowing that the first ball is black. Knowing that the first ball is black. Calculate the probability that the others are red. Red 2, red 3. Knowing the first one is black. Knowing that the first ball يعني أخذنا أول طابة black. شلنا black قديش remains in the urn if we choose a black ball. Remains 6 balls. 6 balls. What is the probability that the second and the third are red?
شو هيدا أستاذ؟ 4.
4 over 6 times 4 over 6. We get 4 over 9.
شو صار
Hmm? Knowing that the first ball is black, choosing the black ball occurs. If the first ball is black, we take the ball black and we keep outside the box. What is the chance that the other two are red, the second and the third are red? If we take a black ball, here remains 2. So for the second ball to be red is 4/6. We replace it back times 4/6. We get 4/9. Okay, this is all for today. This is all for today. For tomorrow, please prepare 2015, the first chance, and continue part B. Yes, who would like to ask? Yes, Haikaz.
أنا أستاذ بانل الجي اس نقدر نعمل 115
115. اوكي، ليش ما في كيمستري اليوم؟ بعد
هلا عنا الكيمستري
والبيريود 6 شو عندكم؟ البيريود 7. اوكي 115. اوكي general science.
Yes.
115.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. See you.
يلا باي.
باي.
Bye.